Guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some of my favorite Instagram filters which you can try for free, and most of the IG filters that I use are more onto the natural side, yet they have an aesthetic vibe. And right now we are stuck in a situation where we can't step out to click aesthetic pictures, we can't go to a cafe, but IG filters are something that you can use to click aesthetic pictures, that vibey pictures, without going out, without spending much time on editing, and you have so many options, so many options. And I think this particular video is so apt as per the current situation. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. The first filter that I really love, and it is on the top of my favorite IG filter list, and the name of the filter is Favorite GK. It is by GK and all of his filters are amazing, but my favorite is Favorite GK. And the fact that I love about this filter is that it looks absolutely normal, absolutely natural, not overdone, and it adds a brownish tone to the entire picture, and also it adds a pink glossy tint to the lips which looks really cute. And जो पूरा जो picture है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अलग सा दिखने लगता है. I've clicked so many pictures with this filter on, and आप देख सकते हो ये कितना different दिख रहा है, कितना मूडी लग रहा है. मैंने ये दो पिक्चर लिया था, both of them are extremely simple, and जो रिजल्ट आया वो आप clearly देख सकते हैं. And I've also clicked a selfie so that you can get a better idea of how the pink lip tint exactly looks like. Next up is a neutral tone filter, and I click most of my selfies using this filter only. And the filter that I'm talking about is minimalis. As the name suggests, this filter creates an aesthetic of minimalism, that neutral, that creamy tone, and बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. Even simple से simple picture में it adds that oomph. And as you can see in this picture, I'm just wearing a basic black tee and a black shades on, but because of the filter it is looking so sexy. And I've also clicked the selfie so that you can see how it exactly turned out. And the next filter is basically for aesthetic stories, and I don't prefer to click my pictures with this one, but you can definitely try that as well. And the filter that I'm talking about is Diary, and ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा popular IG filter, and you all must have used it already, और अगर नहीं भी use किया तो I think you must be searching for this one, क्योंकि कमाल का एस्थेटिक है इसका, बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूट लगता है. There's this option that you can add day and date in the center, तो बहुत ज़्यादा क्यूट सा वाइब देता है. And recently I posted this story on Instagram, and look how vibey this is looking. And also I've clicked this one from the same filter, simple book, a mug, the shades, and see how cute this is looking. And the next filter that I really love is Scotland. This filter has my heart. It is kind of different from other filters and create a dreamy sort of aesthetic with some oranges and browns, and look absolutely natural. And also it adds a orangish pastel kind of lip tint जो बहुत natural लगता है, real लगता है बिल्कुल भी. And most of the filters that I use are more onto the natural side, so you can easily use that. And here are some of these dreamy shots that I've clicked using the Scotland filters, and you can see a simple picture भी कितना different दिख रहा है. And these days we are so much into IG filters, so much into self portraits, so I think this filter will help you in these. Next filter on my favorite list is Tea by Kamnoyy. Oh my god, what a filter this is. And to throw a zest of this filter, all I can say is that you look cute with this filters on, क्योंकि ये पूरा pink वाला vibe देता है, and it adds that peachy pink blush along with that a pink lip tint. You can easily try this out. It looks absolutely natural. See how many pictures I've clicked, and here are some of these. Look how cute this filter is, naturally beautiful sort of. And one thing that I really love about this filter is that you can use them without any makeup on, and it will look good. The next filter that I really like and is perfect for stories, and the name of the filter is Stories Only, and it is just perfect for stories, and it adds that kind of a moody vibe. And it has seven to eight different filters inbuilt within it, and with the use of those filters you can update date and time, and along with that you can also add the weather thing also. So all in all, I think this is perfect for a moody story and complete package hai. And I think this is again one of my favorite. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you found this helpful and relevant at the same time. And also I'll mention the name of the filters as well as the filter owner, the handle name in the description box, so you can check it out from their feed as well. And give this video a thumbs up, comment down which is your favorite Instagram filter so that I can use them too. And follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_, and please subscribe to this channel. I Pyaar you guys. Bye bye.